Yo, Carlo here. So a couple of days ago, I uploaded the sneaker vlog and one of you guys asked if I have ever done a review of the 990 V6. And apparently, meron pala ako. So I think I bought this in, I'm not sure if it was in Singapore or in Dubai, but I've had it for a while now. And I have it in the classic gray colorway. Sobrang ganda, di ba? Sobrang panalo. Very clean, very easy to wear, very comfortable. I have nothing bad to say about the 990s except they are super expensive. Bakit ang mahal niya? Hindi ko naintindihan. I mean, ito na illustrate my point. So, I realized I had this in gray. Then I thought to myself, to make this vlog, I'll buy another one para masaya, di ba? So, I went to New Balance over at Rockwell kasi doon ako nakakabili usually of size 12s of New Balance sneakers. And I got myself a really nice looking V6. As in, this is probably the most aesthetically pleasing 990 V6 I have ever seen. One of the very best 990s. And talagang, without even thinking of asking how much, binili ko siya. Kasi I was thinking, 990 V6s maybe around 12,000, 13,000 pesos. Oh my God, guys. 18,000 something na pala ang retail ng 990 V6s. 18,000. That's almost 20,000 pesos. With the bag to carry it on, it reached 19,000 pesos flat. Retail, not even resale. What? As in, ang pagka-swipe ko parang, huh? Lesson. Tanungin niyo muna bago niyo bilhin. But anyway, if someone can explain why it is 19,000 pesos to buy a 990 V6 pair for retail, please help me understand. Anyway, nabili ko na siya. Buksan na natin. So this is the box. This, the official colorway of this one, ano ba nakalagay? Wala. Hindi nakalagay official colorway. But again, I'm very happy to say that this is in my size. And we will just open it. Buksan na natin siya. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Ang linis. I don't know if the camera captures it properly. Feeling ko hindi. But this is in triple white. This is different shades of white. It has an off-white cream midsole. It has elements of cream on the upper, white, shades of silver, light gray, as in, grabe. Napakalinis, napakaganda. Hindi ko pa rin naintindihan paano siya naging 19,000 pesos. Kayo, naintindihan nyo? Kung naintindihan nyo, comment down below. But anyway, it is super nice. And I will enjoy wearing this pair for the next few months kasi I fully intend to maximize my 19,000 pesos from this shoe. Again, it says over here, 990 V6, made in the USA. That's probably one of the reasons why it is expensive because the 990 series, including the one that I showed you, this one in gray, and the previous versions of the 990s are made in the United States of America. Therefore, probably United States America labor is expensive, and that's why, I don't know, maybe that's why it's that expensive. But anyway, yan yung binili ko. Sobrang ganda talaga. Napakalinis. Comes with extra cream laces. So you can rock it with white laces or go for the cream laces. This is what the other side looks like, man. I mean, bihira ako matuwa sa sapatos this much at ma-inlove sa sapatos this much. But I cannot get enough of this just looking at it. I cannot get over the 19,000. As in, pinag-usapan pa namin na misis ko yung kahapon. Paano siya naging 19,000 pesos? But anyway, so it looks like, officially, I am deep into New Balance again. Considering the last few pairs that I have bought, binili ko yung 1080p fresh foams na London na wide, tapos binili ko to. So most of the sneakers I've been buying are New Balance and Hoka. But anyway, 19,000. Hindi tayo mag-get over. Meron pa ako papakita sa inyo. So I just wanted to show you another purchase. This is from Alpaka. This is a new wallet that I bought. Sobrang ganda niya. This is the Alpaka Pouch with a hook. What is this? So una-una sa lahat, it functions as a wallet and an everyday carry like pouch. So ito, ano yan, Velcro. So you can put any any patch that you have. So ako, I like patches. So that's why, one of the reasons why I bought this. This kind of like doubles as my wallet and my everyday carry like gear. Pocket everyday carry. So I have like a pen over here. I have like a pocket knife. I have keys over here for the, I think, condo yata to. And then it just looks really much more personalized than me. with the Velcro pouch. Velcro pouch with the Velcro side over here. And then if you open this, you can put cash as well as multiple cards. I think you can put like 6 cards for either side. And meron pa siyang isa dito. RFID protected na rin to. And again, yung kagandahan niya, if you have like a key fob or a key holder for your bag, you can attach it to the hook over here para, yun nga, to secure it wherever you are. So this one, you can buy it from Shopee. This exact item. I will link it down below if you guys want to get it. I think it's a little over 2,000 pesos. Think of it as like a very slim, personalizable, customizable, nice-looking, thin, everyday carry wallet pouch type of gear. Napakapanalo, 2,000 something pesos. Anyway, so dun matatapos ang ating very short vlog. I just wanted to really share with you the sneakers and the story behind the 19,000 purchase, officially making it the most expensive sneaker I have bought this 2025. Hindi ko alam kung ikakatuwa ko pa rin yung 19,000. Anyway, sige, let's move on. Tapos na, nabili na, lubos-lubusin na natin at enjoy na natin. I hope you guys are all doing fine. I hope you're doing okay. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom!